Today you'll use filter paper, not the same as weighing paper. It comes in round circles, white paper. To use the filter paper, fold the circle in half and then fold it in half again. Looks now triangular shaped. Will fit in a funnel if we do it correctly. I need to make this into a cone. So here, if I open it here, there'll be a big hole in the bottom. Instead, I open it here and there's no hole in the bottom. There are 3 layers of paper on this side, 1 layer on this side. The cone will fit in a funnel. However, there's a tendency for the paper to jump out. And to calm the paper, use a wash bottle and squirt a little water on your paper. This will prevent the paper from jumping out of the funnel. The funnel is meant to be used with a flask. Erlenmeyer flask is perfect to set up your funnel as shown here. You'll find solutions of magnesium sulfate and sodium hydroxide on the buffet table. Recommended procedure: bring your cylinder to the table, measure out your desired quantity in the cylinder, take that back to your lab table, then put it in the beaker. Magnesium sulfate is Epsom salts. It's harmless, but sodium hydroxide is corrosive to body tissue, so be careful with this one. Part 2 of the mini lab requires you to have a good Bunsen burner flame. This is a bad one. This is not enough oxygen. So I'll open up this gap here by turning the barrel. And I'm looking for a blue flame, not a yellow. And I'm also looking for an inner cone. So I'm starting to get that here. That's a good Bunsen burner flame. For part 2, it says your instructor will provide you with a strip of magnesium after you've completed the previous page and you've demonstrated you've read all the instructions. So make sure you've read all this. Your instructor will come to your table and give you a piece of magnesium. Don't chase your teacher. When you get your small strip of magnesium, you are instructed to grip that with tongs. Try to grip just the end of the strip with your tongs so that most of the strip is exposed to be burned. That's what you want. When the magnesium is ignited, a large amount of light will be produced. And so you'll ignite it by putting it at the hottest part of the flame. But once it does ignite, you need to avert your vision.